What should the inside of your house look like when you're getting it ready for sale? Join me as we tour this home that we just signed up as a new listing, and we have photography and videography scheduled for today, and they have it perfectly prepared. This home is going to be going live next week, and we gave them a how-to video and a list of things to take care of, and these sellers absolutely knocked it out of the park. From the new entrance mat to the brand new potted plants at the front entrance to set up a great welcoming. This home is ready to go. It looks tremendous inside. Let's go take a walk around. So as we enter, the first thing you're going to notice is a nice, clean, open, bright entranceway. Not a lot of stuff, not a ton of pictures. They still have a shoe rack, but it's nicely clean and organized. And it just looks clean. First impression is that this home is well taken care of. It's bright, it's welcoming, and it's a place that people can envision themselves living in. The purpose of this video is to give you an idea of how to prep your home when it comes to having it ready for showings, having it ready for open houses, but also how to have it ready for photography day. And photography day we call media day, but they have done just a tremendous job of decluttering. You can see his shoe rack by the back door, but nothing really on it. The kitchen has nothing on the counters. The only thing you're gonna see on the counters is actually my bag, which is the camera holder and the tripod holder. But look at this, countertops are all clean, bright, lights are on. Not a lot of extra furniture or pictures on the wall. The table is clear. The bureau or credenza area is really well organized with some splash of green and brightness. Same with the living room area, flowers, but not too much stuff. Just nice, bright, clean, not an overabundance of pillows or anything along that lines. Just really well done. Look at that organization. That's what your home should look like when you're getting it ready for sale. That way people can move in, or pardon me, people can come in and see it. They can see a nice, great open floor plan and envision living in there, but with their own stuff. Nothing on the sink, fresh linens. That sign is great. Get naked. Just kidding. This is a half bath. Don't make it weird. That's good. I haven't seen that one before. So let's head upstairs and have a look. Same thing. You're going to see the same thing upstairs. As we come up, you're going to notice that it's nice and clean. I turned all the lights off already. We're done our media day. But you're going to see same thing. Super clean TV room. There's an Xbox and there's controllers, but they're all put away. The wires are hidden. There's weights for workout, but they're also put away. The bedrooms are nice and clean. Again, the bathroom, no toothbrushes, no extra soaps, no shampoos all over the place, but fresh linen all ready to go. The bookshelf is well organized. Computer area, TV area, or sorry, computer and gaming area, all just really nicely cleaned and organized. Have a look at the master, or the primary, pardon me. Beds are made perfectly. Everything is nice and symmetric, put away. Again, the same thing here. Giant primary ensuite, fresh linens. The tub looks great and inviting. Tremendous view outside. The shower's nice and clean. Everything is done the way it should be. When it comes to staging a home, for photography, for open house, for showings, they get a 10 out of 10. I'm super impressed. And when you're getting ready and your realtor says, here is a how-to make sure your house shows perfectly or as good as it can, this is how you want to do it.